Hey Dino, this is John, West Coast Connects. Ron reached out, spoke with you on Friday, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 things that you could do to really maximize your traffic online and really build up that customer base. And all I ask in return is that you send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to get your thoughts. So with that, let's get started. My first tip would be to get a website up and running, and there's a couple reasons why you want a website. Number one is it kind of adds authority to your business, and by that I mean, sometimes clients want to see that you have some sort of digital real estate and some place they can go to find out information about your business. And even though you have your business in a lot of directories, it's just not quite the same to because there's not a lot of information that you could give in directories. It's pretty limited on what you can do and how much stuff you can put there. Whereas a website is all your own. You can, give them a lot of information, tell them what you do and how you do it. The other reason, excuse me, why websites are so important is because it gives a place for people who don't know what they're looking for to go. So what I mean by that is, say somebody's searching Electrician Santa Barbara, for instance, okay? You need to have a location that people could go to get your services from that particular search, okay? If you're wanting to rank for some of these things in Santa Barbara and maybe Ventura, I did look in Ventura and Santa Barbara, and there's 540 searches a month for electrician in Santa Barbara and Ventura, and that's not even like specific to service. That's just location based. So you're looking at, if you could get 10% of that, you're looking at 54 customers a month. So even 5 customers would be 27. So there's quite a bit of volume there, and there's quite a bit that you can do. But having a location for that traffic to go really can, make and break some businesses. Obviously, marketing and advertising is really important for any business. But, with 1.2 trillion searches on Google, it's so important to get that traffic and get a piece of the pie. So that would be my first tip. My second tip, so you do have a Google My Business up and running, which is good. You do only have one review. And really, my second tip would be to grow and optimize this. And how you do it is you add reviews, and you want as many 5-star reviews as you can. And there's a lot of different ways in which you can get those. You want this information on as many directories and stuff as you can. Your address, your business hours, your phone number. And once you get a website, your website. And you want photos that are saved as specific keywords. So if I wanted to be found for Electrician Santa Barbara, I would upload a photo that had that tagline. So, really the importance of a Google My Business. So when someone searches Electrician Santa Barbara, sometimes there's Google ads that pop up, but then it goes right into this Google My Business stuff. So you have Positively Electric, CEC, and Donnell's Electric. And really, it doesn't look like these are really strong here. Then you have Yelp and Expertise and Better Business Bureau and Santa Barbara YP, and then it gives the closest electrician is in the 5th spot. So there's definitely a lot that can be done here, and you can definitely kind of corner this market if you wanted to. Looking at your competitor, JR Electric, who's ranked number 5, I think, in here. Looking at his site, this would be my third tip, is to strengthen up your site when you get it going and really, build it up. And this is how you do it. This is the 4 boxes we're going to look at. This is the strength of their site. It's on a 0 to 100 scale. So 0 being the weakest, 100 being the strongest. Typically what you want is, especially for electricians, you want this number in the 20s and 30s. And you really would like to see a 1-to-1 ratio or something close. So if that's a 19, you'd like to see that as a 19, okay? And it doesn't always work like that, and it takes some time to kind of get it even and level, but that's kind of what you're looking for. They have 16 websites or domains that are sending 84 links back to their site, and they're ranking in the top 154 keywords. So you do want to add domains, and these, we call these backlinks, and not all backlinks are the same. You want relevant ones that are going to strengthen up your site, and then you really want to rank on as many keywords as you can, and that's just adding content to your site. Looking at their site, they don't have a ton of content, which is something that they should have. And if you look at Wikipedia, for instance, one of the reasons why Wikipedia does so well is they have a lot of content. So there's definitely a lot of ways that you can really build up and grow and take advantage of the market there in Santa Barbara and Ventura. So we'd love to help you. This is what we do. We work primarily with electricians and solar companies and HVAC companies, and we'd love to help you guys get going and really build up your business. So with that, I'll let you go. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.